Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both phones, plug them in, join the same Wi-Fi, and unlock Android. Open Move to iOS on Android while you set up the iPhone until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Once done, tap Move Data from Android and enter the numeric code shown on the iPhone. This creates a private Wi-Fi link for the transfer. Make sure to accept prompts on Android. Start the transfer immediately so large files begin copying right away. You now pick exactly what to copy. Check contacts, messages, photos, and account info. The app shows estimated time. Large photo libraries lengthen it. Make sure to accept permissions on Android so Move to iOS can read your data. If apps exist in the App Store, they'll be queued for download on the iPhone. If not, you'll get links. While copying, keep both devices awake and within a short distance. Interrupting Wi-Fi will break the transfer. Once the transfer completes, finish the iPhone setup. Sign in with your Apple ID and watch the queued apps install. You'll need to sign into Google and other accounts on the iPhone to restore mail and calendar syncing. Make sure to verify two-factor prompts. Check photos and messages for completeness. If something is missing, re-download apps or manually copy media. If the transfer fails, try resetting the iPhone and repeating Move to iOS, or use Google.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.